Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can make plants grow faster and grow a garden. If you go to the gear shop here, you can find a lot of gears. So the watering can does make your plants grow faster, but the sprinklers are easily the best items to make it grow faster. But since I don't have that, I'm just going to open up the watering can here, and you only have 10 uses for it, so I'm just going to place it on this like corn section here, and you're just going to tap on it until it grows. It doesn't help that much. Again, it's better if you use a sprinkler, but it does help for you to grow plants faster. That is it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.